tayo nang kilalanin ang official at mas pinalakas na complete lineup ng Barangay Ginebra ngayong ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup.
Point guards: RJ Abarientos, Rising Star, 5'10", 187 pounds, 26 years old, 13.6 points, 3.4 rebounds, 4.6 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.2 blocks, 36% 3-point shooter, 93% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Scottie Thompson, star player, 6'1", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 12.4 points, 6.8 rebounds, 5 assists, 1.4 steals, 0.4 blocks, 41% 3-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. John Nards Pinto, 5'11", 170 pounds, 34 years old, 3.3 points, 0.9 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.1 steal, 31% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards: Jeremiah Gray, 6'5", 205 pounds, 29 years old, 2 points, 1.5 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.4 blocks, 10% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Jason David, 6'2", 191 pounds, 28 years old, 3.5 points, 1.8 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.4 blocks, 48% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages.
Ayon nga sa source na to, ay susubukan daw ng Ginebra na i-offer ang 51st first round pick ng Jeep sa TNT upang makuha nila ang PBA rights ni Ray Parks Jr. dahil babalik na daw ito sa Pilipinas pagkatapos ng kontrata niya sa Japan ngayong 2025-2026 JBL season. Bobby Ray Parks Jr., Ginebra's trade target, 6'4", 215 pounds, 32 years old, 11.8 points, 3.6 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.6 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025-2026 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga latest game highlights ni Parks sa Japan kung gaano pa din ba siya kagaling na player.
Small forwards:
Ralph Koo, 6'4", 210 pounds, 28 years old, 0.8 points, 2 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 0.1 steal, 0.2 blocks, 21% 3-point shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages.
Panoorin natin ang mga latest game highlights ni Parks sa Japan kung gaano pa din ba siya kagaling na player. Sonny Steele, rookie, PBA 11th draft pick, 6'3", 176 pounds, 24 years old, 3.9 points, 3.2 rebounds, 0.2 assists, 0.2 steals, 0.3 blocks, 37% 3-point shooter, 54% free throw shooter in his 2025 MPBL 7th season averages.
Stephen Holt, star player, 6'4", 195 pounds, 33 years old, 12.9 points, 5.3 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 0.6 steals, 0.1 block, 36% 3-point shooter, 89% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages.
Power forwards:
Raymond Aguilar, 6'4", 200 pounds, 40 years old, 1.8 points, 0.8 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.2 blocks, 44 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards: Japet Aguilar, veteran star, 6'9", 235 pounds, 38 years old, 14.3 points, 6.6 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 0.3 steals, 1.1 blocks, 55 field goal percentage, 72% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages.
At dagdag pa nga ng source na to, ay hinihintay lang daw ng Ginebra matapos ang MPBL season ni Musselman upang isign nila ito para makumpleto ang kanilang roster ngayong Philippine Cup. Vic Manuel, Ginebra free agent target, 6'4", 231 pounds, 38 years old, 13.7 points, 4.7 rebounds, 1.1 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.2 blocks, 33% three-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best game highlights ni Manuel sa MPBL kung ano ang kaya niyang maitutulong sa Barangay Ginebra.
Centers.
Norbert Torres, new player via free agency signing, 6'6", 265 pounds, 35 years old, 3.1 points, 0.8 rebounds, 0.4 blocks, 16% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Troy Rosario, star player, 6'7", 218 pounds, 33 years old, 11.2 points, 6.7 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.3 steals, 26% three-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages. Ben Adamos, 6'7", 200 pounds, 29 years old, 1.8 points, 0.9 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.3 blocks, 60 field goal percentage, 5.5 minutes per game in his PBA 49 Philippine Cup averages.
Isaac Go, injured, reserve list,
6'7", 230 pounds, 29 years old, 5.5 points, 3.7 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.5 blocks, 25% three-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49th Governors Cup averages.
Ito ang official at mas pinalakas na complete lineup ng Barangay Ginebra para sa ongoing PBA 50th Philippine Cup. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, mas pipiliin kaya ng Ginebra ang subok na talent kay Parks o susubok silang antayin ang mga magpapadraft next PBA season? I-comment niyo na po yan sa baba.